Big fan of this protein coffee. I got the French vanilla. This is 10 grams of protein in each scoop. This is what it looks like inside. If you look, kind of looks like protein powder. It doesn't have any sugar, no artificial sweeteners. You can read all the details. What I do is actually use my blender bottle, like my protein blender bottle, and I put it in there like so. It mixes really well, but there's some MCT oil, I think, in here. Yeah, there's some MCT oil, there are prebiotics, things like that. Really don't care about any of that stuff. I really just like the idea of having some little extra protein and coffee. And it mixes very well. I use this Yeti blender bottle. I love this blender bottle as well. Gets out all the lumps. Seems like it mixes really well even if you didn't have lumps. You can have this hot or cold. It comes in this bag here. Tastes great. It tastes like French vanilla coffee, but I have like room temperature water in here, so it's not cold, it's not warm. I don't know, it's just something I really enjoy. It's definitely a treat. I don't have this every single day, but like maybe in the middle of the day, like today it's like noon, I'll make one just to kind of get me through the afternoon, or just give me a little jolt of caffeine. So I really enjoy this. Get your protein in, get your coffee in. I was even thinking of mixing this in with my other protein powder to maybe even up the amount of protein. So, you can even think about doing that. But yeah, I really like this. I really recommend it. Something I'm definitely gonna have on hand.